Hi everyone, this is Brian Lisenby with Lisenby Immigration Law, and I just wanted to get on today and remind everyone to check your I-94. So, in the last couple of years, there have been multiple times where I've had clients reach out to me telling me that an error had been made on their I-94 and they were hoping for some direction or guidance on how to update that error that had been made. In some cases, clients have reached out and said they couldn't locate their I-94, and rarely, but even a couple of times, I've had clients explain to me that they hadn't checked their I-94, and when they did check their I-94, they had noticed that they had been out of status. Recently, I had a client reach out and explain that his spouse had departed the United States for foreign travel, and when she re-entered, hadn't checked her I-94. A year and a half later, when they did check their I-94, they noticed that her I-94 had been limited, her status had been limited to the expiration date of her passport. And so for a little over a year, she had been accruing unlawful status, which for my client, for his wife, for their family was devastating. That was really stressful. That was something that caused a lot of anxiety and a lot of stress for them. They were trying to just live and work in the United States peacefully without causing any kind of trouble. And this was a burden for them. Thankfully, through the use of Nuke Pro Tunk, we were able to resolve the issue without any harm, and they're calm, they're happy, they're living their best life again. But don't let that happen to you. And so my advice is check your I-94. Every time you return from foreign travel, you should log on to CBP's website and check to make sure no mistakes were made to your I-94, that your status was input correctly, and that it wasn't limited for any reason. If for some reason a mistake was made, don't worry. There's easy ways to fix that. You can simply call CBP, email them, or return to visit the site at the deferred inspection site at the airport that you entered the United States at. If it's causing anxiety, if it's a worry for you, please reach out to your attorney or reach out to our firm and get some advice, get some help in that regard, because you shouldn't have to worry about your status. You shouldn't have to worry about those things as long as you're doing everything you can to keep those things correctly up to date. There shouldn't be any worry. People make mistakes, people make errors. When things are input into a computer manually, mistakes, errors are going to happen. They can be corrected. Thank you. Again, check that I-94. Thanks.